In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resell tickets on Ticketmaster safely. To get started, head over to Ticketmaster and sign into the account where your tickets are actually stored. This is important because if you have more than one account, you'll need to make sure you're using the correct one before moving forward. Once you're logged in, go to My Tickets or My Events and open the event for the tickets you want to resell. Next, check whether those tickets are eligible for resale. The easiest way to do that is to look for the sell button. If you don't see that option, it usually means the event organizer doesn't allow resale through Ticketmaster for that event. In that case, you won't be able to continue using this method, so it's always good to verify this early. If resale is available, choose the ticket or tickets you want to list. As you do this, take a moment to review the seat details carefully. Make sure the section, row, seat numbers, and quantity all match what you intend to sell. A quick check here can help prevent mistakes later. After that, set your selling price. Enter the amount you want to charge, but be thoughtful about it. A fair price usually depends on current demand, where the seats are located, and any restrictions connected to the event. Also keep in mind that Ticketmaster may charge fees, and those fees can affect the amount you actually receive in the end. Once pricing is set, add or confirm your payout information. This is where you provide the bank account or debit card details Ticketmaster will use for payment. Be sure to double check everything carefully, because even a small error can cause delays when it's time to receive your money. Before you publish anything, review the full listing. Confirm the event name, the seat numbers, the number of tickets, and the pricing. This final review is your chance to make sure everything is accurate and clearly presented before the listing goes live. When everything looks correct, click List Tickets or Submit Listing. At that point, your tickets will appear on Ticketmaster's verified resale marketplace, where buyers can find them. After your listing is live, monitor it from time to time in your Ticketmaster account. Depending on the event, you may be able to update the price or remove the listing as long as the tickets haven't already sold. Finally, once a buyer purchases your tickets, Ticketmaster handles the ticket transfer automatically. Your payment will be sent securely through the payout method you selected, usually